Hi YouTube. Good morning. Got some shit to do today. So it's my day off. Got me my spray nozzle. Gonna go wash the drift missile Vic. So, and while I'm at it, I might as well apologize to you guys. I don't upload a whole lot. I thought I could do some daily shit, but I can't. I work too much, guys. I got a job. I also got to do a whole bunch of shit every day. So, you know, bear with me here. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull that turd in the driveway and start washing it. Okay, I got the drift missile, aka the Crown Vic turd, here in the driveway. This is kind of a before right now. See all the brake dust on the rims, and the white walls are dirty as hell, and oh yeah, she's nasty. So I'm gonna start washing that. Also, just got off the phone with a good friend of mine. I'm gonna be moving that out to a farm, go park it, so I have some room to work without dealing with the popo on parking it on the street. So yeah, I'll take you guys along for the ride in that. So anyways, I'm gonna start washing the turd. Alright, gotta flip this thing around. That's the only time this thing will ever do a burnout, is if the tires are wet. I hope you guys saw that. Alright, so I'm going to set this thing down and go ahead and get that wheel clean. Oh shit, my window's down. Fuck it. I know it's still dripping wet, but damn, that looks good. Okay, you know what? Cue some montage. Make it look all badass. Except for I know it's not. I gotta say, that looks really good. That's the cleanest it's ever been. Oh, shut up. You'll get your turn. Alright, so it is 2 days later. Vic's already dirty again. And I am going to borrow my friend's $500 truck that I helped him put together. Load up a bunch of parts for the new Vic. And roll out to the farm that I've got it parked on. And start taking it apart. So, let's go. Alright, so here's the 99. I'm out here at the farm getting ready to start work on it. I gotta pull this fender, the hood, and then eventually get to the radiator, the transcooler, and the AC condenser. And I do have to replace that AC condenser. As you can see right there, it took a whack. And I don't know if you can tell, but all that down there is Freon that leaked out of it. So yeah, the AC does not work at all. The radiator is bowed in like the AC condenser is right here. And I mean, it's not that big of an issue. I think it survived. It's not, I mean, if you look down in there, very hard to see, but it's not that bad. So I think I can save that radiator. Hopefully I can. But yeah, as you saw from my last video, I didn't pull the fenders and all that on that junkyard Crown Vic because this fender was already off of it. But this one's mine. This one's the baby, so I'm going to do everything right. That way when I get it all back together, there's no rattles or shakes or anything. And as you can tell, I already got a set of airbags in it. I haven't hooked them up though because I don't have an airbag sensor for it yet. But I brought my code reader. I'm going to go ahead and check some codes, see if it has any codes that I can't see as far as the check engine light. I mean, the ABS light's on, of course, or the airbag light's on, of course, because, well, you know, there's no airbag sensor, crash sensor there. So, yep, I'm going to go ahead and get started. That fender first, actually the hood first, and then that fender. Alright, so I got the hood off, and I also got this off. Yay. Oh shit, looks like I'm going to have to remove a couple more things. Okay. But, for the most part, pretty much taken apart. Alright, so I got the AC condenser out. As you can see, all the Freon. Freaking Freon. God, I hate that shit. Anyways, got that out, got the fan pulled. And as you can see, the bottom of the radiator is bent just a little bit. I don't know if I want to save that or we will see. We shall see. I know I'm keeping the transcooler. Transcooler's fine. Ooh, wait a second. And you see that kink in that? I'm not liking that. Yeah, I'm not liking that at all. We shall find out about that one as well. Maybe I should just replace the whole thing and see what they'll charge me to get all that. Hopefully it's like 50 bucks or something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna throw the hood back on it and call it a day. But that's how far I've gotten. Soon, old girl, soon, you will be a complete car again. But yeah, I brought out the brand new radiator support. Well, not brand new, but the used radiator support that's not bent. That one is bent. So I'm going to put that one that's not bent where that one is bent, you know? Thank you guys for putting up with my shit. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video.